Guys, we're about to board this plane. It's us.
I'm with the buffet later. Is this edible?
This is the pesto pasta. Okay, this is our day one that we didn't vlog at all. But look at the sunset. It's so pretty, and we just took the cutest pictures and our matching outfits.
We're gonna go muck some more food. Round 2 of dinner.
Because what? How was the Italian restaurant?
I mean, 7 out of 10. That's the rating.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Why? Would you have it?
I think like a 5.
Oh, the portions are also really small, so that's why you need to go round 2.
We had a pesto and there was no pesto pasta and there was no meat at all. So, but it was good weather today. We got a little tan. No one got burnt. And we're gonna go to the Prestige to go eat some more. Well, hopefully it's a little better. Oh, this looks pretty.
We have the lights up all night.
It looks so nice at night. Wow, this is a big resort, and I would say it's probably like only a quarter full. Rate it.
We're at a 9 right now, but we'll see. We'll see.
Okay, this is like the taco they had. This is the Prestige dinner, so it's pretty empty. And they bring you your food. Is it your first daiquiri?
It is.
They're cute. After a long day, and this is our lobby. The Cuban restaurant. And we got some sort of soup. Okay, we got the, what is it, seafood?
Yes, ma'am. Lobster, mussels.
Looks like lobster, mussels. I don't know what else.
What is it?
Okay, rate the Cuban food.
For dinner?
No, this. Yeah, the dinner. Rate the
I don't
dinner.
even know what I mean. Dinner was a 10 out of 10. The lobster, so good.
Yeah, it was
Octopus,
really
so
good.
Mussels, so good. The lobster was actually the best lobster I've ever had.
Really?
Yeah.
You've had a lot of lobster.
Got butter on it. It was delicious.
This actually looks pretty good for a dessert, but we'll see.
I don't know what I'm eating, but it's okay.
Alright, but the
is like
dinner was
pudding.
good. For Cuban,
Yeah.
amazing. The seafood. It's our, what, 3rd day here?
Yep.
It's our 3rd day. We're doing a beach day so we can get really tan today. And I don't even want to put on sunscreen. But it feels like 35 outside.
At 9 o'clock, by the way.
At 9 a.m. in the morning. Look what our maid did for us. It's so cute. But we have to use the towels now because she didn't give us extra ones, so we can't. I wanted to leave it.
Bones like toddlers.
There's the chicken.
Fish and pork, baby.
Fish and pork. I think it's tilapia.
Yes.
And we're at this rooftop Star Prestige. Smells good. Look at the dessert today. I have an espresso martini. We have no idea what this is,
No clue.
but it looks good. We're at Cuban round 2
Cuban part 2.
because it was good. We're gonna try and get the seafood again. Okay, so we have our octopus, lobster, mussels, rice, and we got 3 of them. Because it was so good. Look at the matching fits. We did good. Okay, rate the Cuban restaurant.
I love that place. The food's so good, but the portions are tiny. But our waitress hooked us up and gave us another plate and then another main plate of pork.
Stairs or
elevator.
We're gonna take pictures on the top floor and get a drink, and then we're gonna actually see the show at 9:30. So I'll vlog
I'm being
it.
forced to take pictures. I don't know. I don't take no pictures. We need a vlog. Let's go.
Sam really wants to vlog for the first time because look at the size
of
the lobsters.
So
we got like.
We already had Cuban today, and I ate way too much down there. I'm sad because we didn't realize they had lobster up here, and this looks amazing.
And it's literally like half. It's like half a lobster, probably,
Yeah,
right?
it's good. Way better than what we got in the
So
Cuban
if you get
restaurant.
prestige, which you should, make sure you ask on the weekends. They usually have lobster. I just found out. So, but you have to make a reservation, which we did not do, but they let us in. So, how's it?
The clams are delicious.
Oh, he's only eat the clams. I've never had clams.
You did in the other meal.
Mussels. Is that the same thing?
These are smaller. I don't know. They're a little different.
There's a mariachi band. And I want them to come to us so we can video record it and laugh.
No, she wants them to come to us.
Watch. I'm gonna show you. They're gonna start singing. We're literally at a fancy restaurant at a dinner.
Show them after that.
I'm gonna record it. Period. Okay, round 2 of lunch. It looks better today. I don't think they can mess this one.
It looks good, but we'll see.
Us eating at the hibachi Japanese restaurant that I'm so excited for. We'll see if it's good. It looks good. It's so good. Okay, we just had hibachi, and this is dinner round 2 now.
This
Back.
is a reoccurring theme, having dinner twice.
Because the food can be good, but the portions are so small. So we're getting lobster again because they have it here on the weekends. We figured out. So yesterday was Friday, we had lobster. Today is Saturday, we also have lobster. And if you speak any Spanish, they'll love you because I'm trying to speak Spanish to this woman, and they'll let us in without a reservation. Dessert is giving for once, and it's thunderstorm outside. Here. It's literally raining. Oh my gosh. I saw that. I caught it. I don't know where the water is coming from. Oh, that's crazy.
You said what, 4 different kinds of bass?
Mm-hmm. We're waiting for the bus back home.
It's 10,000 degrees. Thank God
So
it's in
hot.
shade.
The caves are really cool though.
The what?
The caves.
Caves are awesome.
What's the title of it?
Cavio de Ambrosio or something.
Yeah. This is, I think, some fried chicken.
Yes.
Is it?
It is.
Okay. At the Cuban restaurant.
Cuba written out there. Look at that.
Oh, that's so cute. I didn't even notice that. That's so... What? Is our second last morning? Yeah. Second last morning. We just got chairs by the beach. Now we're gonna go get breakfast.
Woot woot.
Look at our makeshift breakfast because there's no eggs. Honestly, that looks really good though.
You know what? It looks like it's gonna slap.
And I have 4 drinks. I have mango smoothie, water, apple juice, and a cappuccino.
And she doesn't like any of them.
I like the smoothie, it's just too warm. I like the water. I never actually showed what it looks like. It's like this. So you can go get like little appetizers and like yogurts and stuff, and same for dinner. And then they make your main course there. So you order your main course and you can get dessert yourself, which is usually right here on the 11th floor. And it's never busy. I don't know if it's because it's the summer or what. The snack bar is right there. But we thought that it sucked. So my parents came and they liked it.
It sucks.
Then if you do Prestige, that's the rooftop. Right there at the top. And that's great. And then there's also a beach bar right there. And I think they're doing some sort of like lunch. I don't know. What's it called? Barbecue? Lunch barbecue today? Because there's flags though. There's like a grill. So we're going to check that out in like an hour. But it's really quiet. It's 11 o'clock in the morning and this is how busy it is. But it is August, so. Where's our shortcut? Here? Look at our clear water. You can literally see the bottom. And the fish light your toes. It's literally crystal clear. Okay, I heard music, a lot of music. And I can see them making barbecued food, so I'm gonna go check it out and then I'm gonna go back and get some. The first overcast night and we decided to take pictures. That's okay.
And the last night.
That's okay, we'll get cute ones still. So I'm gone for dinner and our reservation was for 7, it's like 8 o'clock, but we're gonna hope they let us in. So, okay, let's go take pictures and then go eat. I hope we get a good picture.
We're trying to take pictures right now, but we need to find someone. We're too scared to ask anyone, so.
There's 2 girls taking pictures, we're gonna ask them.
Here's our view though. Look how awesome that is.
We're gonna hope our last dinner is a good one. Even though I'm not even hungry.
I think this is like the 1,000,000th photo that I've taken today. In video.
There was good burgers at the snack bar today, according to me, but not according to him.
No, they're 5 out of 10.
So, the snack bar has redeemed itself last day.
Oh, I'm happy because I have sushi.
It's our last night and we got sushi as our appetizer.
Woo, woo.
And live music.
And what do we got coming for our main course?
Lobster round 4.
Mussels, lobster, and fish.
Round 4 for me.
Third bowl of yogurt.
The best thing at breakfast. Actually, I ate my breakfast today.
The bananas were really good.
The bananas are really good. They're so
bumping.
cute. They're yogurt, fruit, and granola.
Slaps.
Slaps.
10 out of 10.
The eggs are really not great. They have leftover
That's a
chicken,
nice
which
way
is
to put
good.
it.
Good thing about Prestige is we get to check out at 3 p.m., which is nice because our flight's not till 10:40, so we're not leaving till 7 tonight. We're going to the beach for a few hours. There's the toilet. This is the bathroom. The shower was really nice. Don't laugh at me. And then there's a big closet, an iron. There's a good hair dryer. I'm doing this quick because we need to check out our room right now. A bench. There's our messy bed, but I think it's a king sized. 3 more drawers. A mini fridge. Flat screen TV, didn't have great channels. A little sitting area, garbage, another little sitting area, and then a balcony. And we got the cheaper version. Okay, let's go.
Woo woo.
Bye, Cuba.
Adios.
That's our hotel. That's where they do the performances. This is the gym. And over here is, I think it used to be a basketball court. There's no hoops and a little tennis court, which even has a little stand actually. It's cute. And this is a spa, bathrooms, and then the gym. Video with it. Okay. Oh, bye Cuba.
Also, don't forget to take your luggage, your husbands, your wives, your friends, your kids, your family.
An option there is to take them back home with me. And so,
Goodbye Cuba. We're boarding our plane.
Final vlog. Sad.
Are you sad?
It was like this.
Yeah, that's not good. Bye vlog. Say bye.
I vlog.